All right, so haven't done anything to the G in probably like close to a year. Okay, 8 months if you want to be technical. Got my friend Mikhail come by to help me.
Slave.
Whatever, dude, you can't even say that. You can't even say that. But so first thing we wanted to do was, I haven't had a chance to clean the engine bay at all, so we kind of just degreased it. This one hasn't been cleaned at all. You can kind of tell it's like grimy. Mikhail has done that one already. So just quick detail on the bay. So with the engine out, went ahead and moved the engine out here. So hopefully we'll at least have it in today. I don't have all the fluids to start it up, but goal is just to at least have it in. Say what? I mean, nah, we don't, but you know.
You're right to move it, yeah.
So it's just progress, and I'm happy. Just glad Mikhail's here to help me out and stuff. So okay, so did a good bit of cleaning. See that shine? Much thanks to Mikhail because he kind of did all the work. So I wanted to route the two main harnesses that normally run across the strut tower. So the idea we had is to just run it behind, you know, in between the fender. And so Mikhail is just trying to like fit it through. I've got my side kind of just apart at the moment. So I'll be trying to, from here, route it through there to come out through the fender. But yeah, that's currently our game plan, and Mikhail seems to be making some pretty good progress. So, all right, update back in a bit. All right, so current progress is we have both harnesses kind of pushed into the fender area and have it routed out going this way. I just kind of pushed it out over here just because I didn't want everything hanging. So that's the passenger side. This is the driver's side. I have everything over here. This guy. So I think the next thing now, pretty much I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the Z1 silicone hoses, figure out what I need, go ahead and replace currently. And then probably just put the motor in. Yeah, I think that's hopefully where I'm gonna stop today, hopefully. All right, so Mikhail convinced me to add another section to the video. So we added back the, I guess, the rubber covering. So at this point, you really can't see how the wires are kind of routed. Besides right there, you know. So it's got a very clean look to it. Damn, Mikhail. So this is the Z1 coolant, you know, master hose kit. These are the main coolant hose that goes to your radiator. You know, these are part of the, you know, back one. That's the heater hose that comes out. I'm attaching the heater hose inlet. Got the Z1 bleeder valve. So what we were doing, we had a lot of trouble trying to put that in. So word of advice is put the clip over, insert the hose, and then clamp it, because you're not going to be able to get it over like this. So just word of advice. So about to put this up now.